What's going on, my peeps? Your boy Versatile is back with another video. And yes, we are here opening up the Spigen starter kit for the Samsung Galaxy S10e. Spigen was recently running a giveaway promotion on Twitter, and I happened to win one. I've been very good at winning, so I definitely appreciate being able to win, entering, and just the opportunities that present itself. And in this case, it's presenting us with a starter kit specifically for this beautiful S10e. Bow, bow. Ooh, okay, I should have cleaned the screen. But boom. In fact, I could kind of brush it off real quick. But as you see, I got two cases over here. I've already reviewed these. I bought these earlier. Of course, is the Rugged Air and the Liquid Air cases from Spigen. So these will not be included in the starter kit. But we will find out what is right now. So let's get right into the box here. Pretty thick. Let me show you guys here real quick. This how, like, look at this Spigen World. See, it's pretty thick. So let's get into it. Tiger Claw, where you at? Oh, you just ruined her introduction. Let's try that again. Woo! All right, so let's open this up real quick. Bow, shaka wow wow. All right, so thank you, Tiger Claw, for your assistance. Let's put that over there. And let's get, okay, if you just go ahead and open up, thank you. So let's get into this now. And hey, alrighty, so what is it? Ooh, Spigen with the hookup here. You get some confetti in here. Oh my goodness, it's almost as if you could just place some eggs right here and hatch some chickens. Oh, they sent me a letter too. Look at this. All right, let me go ahead and toss that because y'all don't need to see that. Let's read the letter here real quick. Appreciate this, Spigen. Ooh, a sticker. Throw this on like the car or something. I don't know. Stick a little Spigen. I see you. I see you, Spigen. All right, put that right there for now. And let's get into this letter here. Congrats. Thank you, Spigen. That appears okay. I was about to say, you guys, as soon as I can figure out how to open this here. Hold on. So it's on the back. Hey winner, thanks for all the love and full on support. Can't wait for you to start enjoying your prize. Congrats again, and let's stay in touch. Team Spigen, hashtag Spigen moment. So appreciate that. That's probably where you can find them at. There's their handles down there. If anybody has not yet started following Spigen, there you go. So appreciate the letter. Now, confetti aside, oh man, oof. All right, so what do we want to get into first? Well, let me kind of scoop my phone over here. No, okay. And we're gonna scoot this to the side, and we're just gonna reach in here and grab the first case. And yes, this is the Neo Hybrid case for the Galaxy S10e. As we see here, in one piece, I like my focus to stop bouncing. Thank you. Stable mounting. Smartphone case, something you want. Yes, sir. On the back here. All right. Boom, shaka wow, wow. Those are the dimensions right there for the Neo Hybrid case. Let's get right into it. Open this up. Boom. Put that right here for now. Ooh, okay. So it's blue. Now, of course, this kind of gives me like War Machine / Captain America like vibes. I know they have like a red and gold color, like Iron Man color. So that would have been dope if they could have sent me that one. I would have lost my mind probably. You know, in games coming up. So without further ado, as you see, get some clean, tough TPU Neo Hybrid. Let's go ahead and slide this baby right on in here. And let's check out the, ooh, snaps right in place. I'm actually not mad at how this feels because it still feels compact. As you guys see, you get the cutouts. Let's test the buttons. Oh, tactile. Got the Bixby button, feels good to press. Got the open power button, of course, because of the fingerprint sensor. On the bottom, you got the cutout for the headphone jack, for the USB-C port, for the microphone, and for the speaker. On top for the microphone as well. And it feels like a solid case, feels good. Still kind of matches the blue on my phone. Feels really good. You look at it, you kind of can see the cutouts a little bit, but that's fine. As long as it's not missing the bottom. I hate cases like that. But this Neo Hybrid feels really good, and it's another case. I said I was gonna wipe down the screen. Of course, it's gonna get dirty throughout this video. But this is just another case I can add to my Spigen collection. All right, that's a little better. And nonetheless, case collection for the Galaxy S10e. And so, if we do a quick comparison here with the Liquid Air, see the Liquid Air, even appears to be a little thinner. Yep, and yep, a little thinner, a little skinnier in terms of this. But this one you're gonna get a little bit more protection, and then of course the rugged protection, they're about the same. The rugged protection is just, or the rugged armor is just a tad bit, skinnier than the Neo Hybrid, but it has a little more flex than this one. You're getting like premium protection, especially around the framing of the phone here with this case, this Neo Hybrid case. So thank you, Spigen. Let's get to the next case, and it appears we get 3 cases. So we open the Neo Hybrid. The next case is the Silicone Fit Case. Okay, so I think this one's gonna be similar to the Liquid Air. You see down here, yep, for your Galaxy, Samsung Galaxies. The dimensions down here, boom, bow, silicone fit. Let's open it. Let's get into it. Boom, put that over there. Bow. Okay, don't give me no tough time. And ooh, I like this. So if we compare it to the Liquid Air, it doesn't have like the design aesthetic of the Liquid Air, but it is just as slim and compact as the Liquid Air case. And it's silicone fit. You get that nice kind of feel on the inside of it here. It doesn't really say much. So still getting good protection. And let's go ahead, slide this baby in. You're probably gonna get just as much thin protection as you will. Ooh, oh my goodness, that silicone. I mean, it does kind of feel slippery, but you still get good grip. But it feels good, and it feels as if you almost don't have a case on. You almost don't have a case on. Buttons, tactile, power button, accessible. You still got your space for the speaker, grill up at the top. It's on. As you see, we got all our ports available down here. Available right here. Come on, focus. There you go. All right, you bouncy today. And boom, Spigen logo right there, and it feels good. Helps the blue pop out from the phone. Feels really good in the hand, and it's real easy to take off. You get firm protection. It's not like it's gonna slip off or nothing like that. Any case, you most likely, just a little bit of pressure from one of the corners, and then the rest should follow. So that's the silicone fit. That one feels really good. Now me, I typically don't rock cases on my phone like that often. I do if I leave the house, or like if I know I'm about to go somewhere and I'm like, if this phone falls out my pocket, I'm gonna be mad. So in that case, I will of course rock a case on it. So I have plenty to choose from over here. And then, oh, this is not a case. This is premium optical full coverage film. So you actually get a screen protector, and it's a 2-pack. A NeoFlex HD premium optical full coverage film. So on the back, watch the tutorial videos, clean it off, apply it, thermoplastic, polyurethane film, clarifying, does not affect screen quality, leave no residue, remove, precisely cut the suture screen, easy installation with helpful guides. So boom. So I don't know how easy this is actually going to apply, and I wasn't actually planning on putting a screen protector on, so excuse my abrupt surprise. So here's everything okay. So you get an install guide to put this on, and here are what I imagine to be the films. So if we take one of these out here, it appears I think you get like a little, you get cleaning cloths. Okay, so this is the spray that I believe you spray on the screen to clean it. Yes, in some way, shape, or form, you watch the video and they'll show you instantly how to apply these screens. And they're okay. I mean, you know, they're not TPU, of course. Or not they're not glass, of course, but they seem to offer you pretty good protection on your device. Kind of, they look like upgraded or better forms of screen protectors. That sentence sounds crazy. It looks like an upgraded form of the pre-installed screen protector you get when unboxing your phone. So, you know, if you've seen before, I think I showed you guys in my unboxing video, the S10e already comes with, and most phones now really kind of already come with a pre-installed screen protector. This looks like an upgraded version of that. So those interested in the NeoFlex HD screen protectors, there you go. Those are those two. And I saved the best for last, if it is indeed the last thing, which it is, because what comes with the starter kit also is something that takes advantage of the wireless charging in the Galaxy S10 phones, and that is this essential fast wireless charger. Outputs at 5, 7.5, and 10 watts, so it has intelligent charging. It has control heat technology within it to avoid overheating. So you see intelligent power technology, control light tech. So it basically lets you know, it looks like at the bottom here, when it lights up and what colors indicate when it's charging and when it's full, when your battery's full. It looks like it's got good grip. So control slip tech, smart IC chip protection, fast charge at 9 volts. We look at the back here. Qi wireless charging, okay. At 9 volts, outputs at 1.67. You got quick charge 2.0 and quick charge 3.0 with, I guess you could say up to 18 watts. So we see it really doesn't really weigh much. It's a very compact wireless charger. So let's get into it here. It's neat that you get this with a starter pack from Spigen. And you see on the back, oh, now we take it out the plastic. Still looks very clean. I like it. Let's get into it. Let's see here. All right. Sometimes you just make things a little too difficult to get into. Oh, well, I wish I had Tiger Claw right about now, but we'll just rip into it because right now we don't care. Let's take this on out. And here we go. We get a nice little booklet from Spigen talking about the central fast wireless charger. Toss it. And you get this nice little box. Looks like a little ho-ho. Yeah, the little cupcakes. Oh, this is very compact. And then, of course, you get your cable down here. And I guess all you need is a charging base of some sort, since it doesn't come with one in the box. So if we unravel this here, womp womp, womp womp. Oh, it's really nice, like a little flying saucer disc. Very, very premium looking. Speaking, and yes, it does feel very grippy, so your phone won't be sliding around. Any additional, yeah, this charger is considered the F308W. So that's its, you know, what they call it, scientific names. That's the name of this charger here. So let's go ahead and hook this baby up real quick. Just rip that off the top. Open this up here. Slide that on out. Bada boom, bada bing. Bow. Get a very nice long cable though. That definitely helps. This USB, that's micro USB, which plugs into the back of here, I would imagine. Yep. So just take this. Oh, boom. They like putting things in upside down. And then, of course, you got the USB type A right here to go into a charger. Most likely, you probably want to use one provided from Samsung if you want to get the most, or an 18-watt charger, in which I do have one, but it's currently in use charging this device here. So give me 1 second. All right, so now we have it hooked up. Move this cable on out the way here, you know. And then if we go ahead and do this, you see that? All right, it's charging. Bow. So if I try to pick everything up, you'll see at the bottom here it lights up blue. So blue means it's charging, and I would assume that green means it's done charging. And the nice subtle light, you know, you'll see at night or from a distance, and it doesn't really get in the way. It doesn't shine too bright or nothing like that. So it's a nice simple light, so that way, you know, you can charge and not bother nobody. So this has been the Spigen starter kit for the Samsung Galaxy S10e. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys, you know, appreciate it and found some items that you may enjoy using yourself for your Galaxy S10e or S10 or S10 Plus because I'm sure all these accessories come with any of the Galaxy S10 devices. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys, again, like it, tell people to subscribe and everything like that. Content will continue to come through here. So your boy Vrsatile is signing out, and until the next video, wait for it.